In this video, you're going to learn how you can perform in-depth analysis in Google Analytics by using custom dashboards. Now, custom dashboards appear here inside the customization section of your Google Analytics account. So really what this is enabling you to do is go beyond the standardized reports that you find in Google Analytics and create custom dashboards or reports for yourself. And by creating these customized dashboards, you can really do that in-depth analysis and see correlations that you mightn't see inside the standardized reports. So if we come in to the dashboards here, we can see that there's already a number of dashboards set up in this Google Analytics account. For example, if we click into the site performance dashboard, what we can see here are many metrics related to site performance in one place. So why would you want to set up a dashboard about site performance? Well, many of these metrics, you wouldn't find them normally in one report. So what you can do is really gather the information and put them into one dashboard like this, so you can monitor this particular aspect of your website in a very focused way. Now, you also might want to create a dashboard. Say if there's somebody on your team who's responsible for more technical stuff about your website, and in particular site performance, well, then you can create this dashboard for them so they can really focus on improving these particular metrics. They mightn't have anything related to do to marketing or advertising, so they don't really need to see all of this other stuff down here. So the way that these dashboards work is that these are actually widgets, and these are summaries of different reports or metrics taken from different reports. And that's the advantage of these dashboards, that you can see a lot of different metrics and reports or a summary of them in one place, and that allows you to see different correlations between metrics and really spot trends and opportunities to grow. So as well as creating dashboards for things like site performance, you could create it for, say, somebody who's responsible for the PPC advertising or responsible for SEO. You can create those dashboards for those different roles or for those different aspects of the business. Now, there are two ways to add dashboards to your Google Analytics account. The first way is to create them from scratch yourself. And you can pick a blank canvas like this, click Create Dashboard, and then you can go ahead and build up and add in these widgets, taking those metrics or reports or summaries for them and putting them in one place. Now, that is a little bit more advanced and can be quite time consuming. So the easier way to add dashboards to your Google Analytics accounts is really to get them from other Google Analytics users who've already built them. And the easy way to do this is to come into the Google Analytics Solutions Gallery. This is where different Google Analytics users share the templates for their custom dashboards and reports. And you can really import these into your Google Analytics accounts in one click. So there are a list of the most popular custom dashboards and reports here. Or you can also, say, search for one specifically if you want to find that out. And you can see here SEO dashboard. There's top content and keywords. You can look at something like this, a starter bundle, which if you click to import, you can see this not only contains some custom dashboards here, but also some custom reports. That's really a big starter bundle. And you just have to click Create there, and that is going to be imported into your Google Analytics accounts. And then you'll find all of those once you import them underneath your custom dashboards and custom reports. So the cool thing about the dashboards is there's those two ways to add them. And it's great that you can just go to the Solutions Gallery and import a load of them, check them out. Now, one thing that you can do also is if you've imported some dashboards and you find, well, that's way too technical or it's not what I'm really looking for, what you can do is come in, you can click Delete Dashboard, and you can just get rid of them and focus down on what you need. So if you do create dashboards and you want to share them with team members, what you can do is come in here You can export these dashboards. So if you wanted to give a specific report to, say, a boss on site performance, you can export the dashboard as a PDF, and that really gives them like a printout that you could present in a meeting or in a presentation, really showing the key metrics related to, say, your specific role. You could give this to clients, for example, to really give them some metrics to see how it's performing. Now, there are a couple of limitations with custom dashboards. You can have up to 20 dashboards per account. And also within each dashboard, you can only have 12 widgets or 12 kind of snapshots of different metrics or reports. So choose those wisely. So in summary, custom dashboards allow you to go beyond the standardized reports and get a dashboards full of metrics and reports that are specific to your business or role.